7b97z43c, and it's a line 22. And it's Photons, Atomic Dance, Swap, Spin, Entangle, Fibonacci Formula, 5G Wow Seti, and this is 43c. So you want to start with A because there's a formula in each of these videos, and they all go together. There's the alien radio signal. And this is a keyword research about an atomic dance in quantum qubits, laser beams, rubidium atoms for a UFO space communication ship found in the WOW data line 22 formulas begin from B to F from A. Okay, so September 5th, 2013, previous videos data created a formula, so this is the second half of that formula. Actually, sorry, this will be the third one, because the first one, it starts with A and then it's B, and now we're up to C. Okay, so that's the previous video. There's the atomic dance there. Thousands of pairs of rubidium atoms participate in a quantum square dance that may be useful in quantum computers. So I'm not sure if you've already figured this out yet or not. So the WOW formula is showing us how to create faster computers by the looks of it. September 5th, my thoughts. It was filmed in this video because of its length and depth. Formula from data continues. I don't know why I said that. I can't even talk straight. Okay, so spin, blue visible light, rotating top, bottom, pointing up, down, binary code language. Computers, atom swap values, 1 spin up, 2 0 to 0 to spin down, vice versa. Classical bit swaps, or not quantum bits, can be simultaneously in an unusual state of having swapped and not swapped at the same time. Same properties of neutrinos, mass or massless particles. Actually, those aren't my thoughts. Hold on. That's a quote from the blog. I'm sorry. I missed that somehow. Same properties of neutrinos, mass or massless particles. Under conditions, swim swapping has effect entangling pairs. Quantum phenomena that links atoms' properties even when physically separated. Symmetric particle behaviors equals twin signals and events. Oh boy. Okay, so what I did is I took some of the keywords from the blog. And I added my own thoughts. Added my thoughts to them. Sorry, I wasn't feeling well when I did this research. I had the flu. So, of course, it's a little crazy. Anyways, same properties of neutrinos, mass or massless particles. Under conditions, spin swapping has effect entangling pairs, quantum phenomena that links atoms' properties even when physically separated. Symmetric particle behaviors equals twin signals and events. Entanglement, I didn't spell it right. One feature make quantum computers powerful. Spin entangling interactions, I'm going to Google that, demonstrated between pair atoms in optical lattice. Due between two superlattice walls. It's crystallized structures, and see what you get in a mesh full of electron holes, creating a semiconductor Higgs boson signals. Good news, I've gone about 30-40 videos ahead, and it's going to show us how to do a Higgs boson signal without needing lots of energy to produce it. So that was cool, and that's coming up in about 30-40 videos. So Trey Porto author other research groups entangled atoms in lattices as extended clusters, crystal wafers, isolating pairs, making the particle a symmetry property. Focus simple units for quantum logic, I'm going to Google that. Swapping process way creating logical connections among data. I think I forgot to put the plus signs in there. That's what I did. I forgot to put those little plus signs in there. That's why it doesn't make sense. Crucial to a computer, a logic operation equals and if then statements such as if 2 qubits, Euclid's fifth postulate applies here, contained in ions, have opposite states, antisymmetric particle properties, then they should exchange values. Opposites attract plus creating a magnetic force. How do you transfer electrons with a magnetic force of semiconductors? Google this theory in another video section. C. Okay, logical connections. Oh boy, wait, this is C. Hold on. So that's going to go into D then. I renamed this either D or E. Has that information. Okay, so logical connections quantum computer is creating using entanglement and effect allows multiple simultaneous correlated possibilities. We're going to cross-reference correlated lines to 1 to 27 found on line 22 while data formulas as well. So basically the word correlated has a formula that's already come up. An IST experiment performed with 60,000 rubidium atoms in Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC, special state of matter in which all atoms are in the same quantum state, trapped within a three-dimensional grid of light formed by three pairs of infrared laser beams. So we would take obsidian mirrors, diffracted electron ribbon pencil laser beams, in between graphite films, add electron holes, a crystalline mesh, and Higgs boson. Electron holes, crystalline superlattice, between two walls. It would create a mesh with the Higgs boson signals. The lasers would be arranged to create two horizontal lattices. This would creating hyperbole space, a Messenger effect, two graphite films, crystal wafers overlapping like two mesh screens. Just so you know, in the earlier videos there is a diagram how to do all this, and now we're just breaking it down what has to go in those sections. So yeah, when I do the cross-referencing, I'll be doing each component and putting it's going to take me forever to do this. When I do the cross-referencing, I'm going to put the different components together like the videos and give you an idea of what you got to do to put it together. I am doing some cross-referencing as I go along now in line 22 because it is so extensive. I've been working on this particular line for almost about a year now, so it's got a lot of stuff in it, which I didn't know it would have. Okay, so like two mesh screens, one twice as fine as the other in one dimension, double layered with semiconductor nanowires, microwires, fiber optic wires, L-Shelby twist nodes integrated in graphite crystalline wafer films, created many pairs of energy wells, the quantum Hall effect, trapping the atoms, and cross-reference lines 22 formulas and lines 1 to 27 in the well data. Yeah, we're going to be looking at some of your experiments from the rubidium atoms where you had cold atoms and you're trying to integrate them with laser beams and create a frequency. There are formulas that are going to be coming up soon showing us what to do with that. Okay. The scientists attempted place single atom in each well. Proton energies cross-reference line 22 formulas and lines 1 to 27 well data. So the single atom, one atom spin up. One and the other one. Sorry, my dog just opened my door and she's laying in her bed in here. I don't know how she got the door open. She's smart. So anyways, the scientists attempted to place single atom in each well. Proton energies cross-reference lines 22 formulas and lines 1 to 27 well data. Single atom, one atom spin up 1 and the other down 0. Maya symbol for 0 is math plus the math algorithms. Cross-reference lines 1 to 22 formulas, cross-reference lines 1 to 20. I don't even know what this means. This is bad. I'm sorry. Ancient math is an X, and you calculate your numbers across from each other, creating a quantum signal between the particles of semiconduction. Formulas continue in the next several videos. Yeah, I was sick for 10 days, so we'll see. I did 10 days of research. It's probably all Greek to me, right? Thanks for watching.